Okay, so I'm at 1.8. I just took a nice shot, and now we're gonna try and fucking make it so cold. I don't think I'm gonna stay out too long because it's so fucking cold. I'm seeing a lot of people waiting, so I suppose the tram is coming. Let's take a nice shot here. Oh, there you go. That's it. Perfect. Nice. Noise. Alright, I just checked the photo. It's pretty nice, I guess. I think I can make something out of it. And there's another one coming on from the other way. There it is. Because I really like the lights back there. Then here it's not that nice. Okay, let's just get in front of it. Bump. No, fuck off. Nice. Okay. And now let's go straight and try to make it from behind when it moves. Ooh. Yeah, this is a nice shot. Right here. Here it comes. And here we go. Nice. Oh yeah, this is so fucking cool. Yeah. There you go. Oh yeah, I think I like this one because there's nice light in the background. Oh, look at this. It's pretty nice, eh? Let's see what else we can photograph. Are in luck because there is another tram incoming, so I'm gonna position myself here. Oh yeah, that's gonna be perfect right here, and I'm gonna wait for the tram to pass, and I think I'm gonna sit. Oh, there's the one incoming right the fuck right now. I am so lucky. There you go. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Last night when I came, it looked nice, and I took a couple of pictures with the phone, and I don't know, they just look nice now. I only have the 85 with me. Ooh, there's a swan. Let's see if we can do something nice with that. Maybe she's gonna come out on the other side. One. There we go. Oh, I think she's nice. I think this looks nice enough. Alright people, this was a short one. This is where I'm gonna end it, and it was nice to be here in Strasbourg. Hope to come again, and I'll see you in the next